Hi everyone, I'm going to demonstrate the ClearCase integration via ConnectALL product. As part of this demo, I'm planning to explain a use case in Node.NET and the configuration required for JIRA ClearCase integration and followed by a demo. I have taken a simple use case for this integration, and if you look at the use case, there are two stakeholders involved, and here is the quality professional QA team and the developer is also involved in it. Let me quickly walk through the use case. And this QA guy is creating a bug in Jira system, and this bug is synchronized by ConnectALL, and it creates a new activity in ClearCase server. And this developer working on the bug raised by the QA, and he fixed it. Finally, he commits the source code into the ClearCase server. And also, he marked this particular activity status as completed. And ConnectALL picks up the status from ClearCase activity and it updates back into the JIRA ticket so that the QA can review the status of this particular bug and test it. Finally, he can close it. Let's move into the demo part. The configuration required for JIRA ClearCase integration is similar to any other connector. The steps is going to be same like any other connector. Uh, so it requires a connection parameter to connect JIRA, similarly for ClearCase. And this ConnectALL communicates to the ClearCase server via this CCRC interface. So there is a CCRC WAN server running on ClearCase which takes care of the communication part. I'm just moving on to the entity mapping. So it's going to be a standard project and entity mapping for JIRA. And if you look at the ClearCase side, you could see the list of project VOBs available in ClearCase. I have just selected the CC demo, and it prompts you to select the integration view which holds the activity. You could see all the views available in this ClearCase server. I'm just interested on this particular view. And if you look at the configuration, so this is going to be a single stream project. And the only supported entity type in ClearCase is activity. This ClearCase connector doesn't support polling, so meaning that it doesn't have a capability to poll for changes in ClearCase records. So for that, what I have done is I just added a advanced property. I just mentioned this sync type supports only push, and on the JIRA side it is configured as poll. And moving on to the field mapping, it's going to be a simple straightforward field mapping, and I have just mapped the basic fields like summary is mapped to a activity headline in ClearCase, and I just want to synchronize the activity ID back to the JIRA custom field and JIRA issue key to a custom field in ClearCase. And in ClearCase connector, there is a special field introduced called change list. So it supports two type of contents. I'm just clicking on the data type to show you the different types of content supported. If you select the type a string, so what are the modification made against a particular activity would be synchronized as a HTML content over to JIRA. And if you want to just link the URL of the activity, so you can select URL in the destination type. And there is a custom plugin for JIRA which takes care of rendering the ClearCase activity and stored it and display it as a issue tab panel in Jira ticket. I'll show you as part of the demo. Okay, let's move on to the demo part. Let me create a bug in Jira, say authentication issue. And if you look at the Jira key, it is CC17. I'm just going back to the ConnectALL activity monitor screen. I'm just waiting for that sync to happen. Now you could see the ClearCase activity is created and its ID is authentication underscore issue from the Jira key CC-17. Now let's go and fix the bug in ClearCase. I'm just opening the Eclipse editor and I just found the bug in the source code. The comparison has to be made against the password instead of user. I'm just going to fix it. And this ClearCase plugin is integrated with Eclipse, so it prompts you to connect to the ClearCase server. And it checks out the file for editing. Here you can pick up the activity on which against you are planning to work. You could see the activity created by ConnectALL. I'm just picking up this and checking out the file. Okay, the file is checked out. I'm fixing the issue, saving the file. I'm going to commit these changes into ClearCase. I'm just opening the activity to commit the changes. I could see the activity here, and also I'm going to mark this bug as fixed. Selecting status, changing the value to resolved. Fine. Back to this activity and check in the changes. I'm just committing these changes into ClearCase server. On the ClearCase server side, I have configured a trigger. I just added a dialog box in my trigger script for testing purpose, so it is prompting me to push the changes to ConnectALL. Ideally, it won't show the dialog in real cases. This is just for debugging purpose. Okay, a commit is completed. Going back to the ConnectALL activity monitor, I could see the update is completed. Okay, let's go back to the Jira ticket, refresh it to see the changes. Now you could see the status is marked as resolved. It is synchronized by ConnectALL. And if you look at the bottom of the tab panel, you could see a new tab called ClearCase. And just clicking that, so you could see the changes happen against this particular activity. You could see the file name, version number, the creation date, and also you could see the comment that I just entered here. And this issue tab is the custom plugin just we developed for ConnectALL. So it is installed in this particular instance. So it's a add-on for ConnectALL to render the source control change list. All right, so we have completed the synchronization between JIRA to ClearCase and ClearCase to JIRA. Thanks for your time.